Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will be watching complete tutorial for this amazing strawberry crochet stitch. Hello everyone, today we will be starting with strawberry crochet stitch. We basically need two colors, red and green. Okay, so let's start. As usual, starting with the slip knot. Now we will make a chain of chain crochet stitches. So it will be in pattern of 4 plus 4 plus 4 as long as you desire to make. See, now I am done with my chain crochet stitches. I have taken 32 chain crochet stitches. Okay, so now just skip this loop which is on your needle and one next to it, and from here we will start single crochet stitches. Sorry for the background noise, my kid is playing. So just keep the loop on the needle, one next to it, and from this one we will start making one single crochet stitch in each stitch. That you have to do till the end of your work. You have to just do one single crochet stitch in each stitch. See, I'm done with my single crochet stitch till the end of the work. I'll just turn my work. After turning my work, I will be starting with one chain crochet stitch. Now we are actually starting with a strawberry stitch. Okay, so one chain crochet. Okay, then right from the first stitch itself we will take 3 single crochet stitches, one stitch in each. So this is one stitch, 2 and 3. Okay, so these were the 3 single crochet stitches, one single crochet in each stitch. Now in fourth stitch I'll be taking 5. In fourth single stitch I'll be taking 5 double crochet stitches. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. Okay, now again I will be doing 3 single crochet stitches in next 3 stitches, one in each. This is one. Now see, this is our first strawberry stitch. Okay, which the bulgy part will be coming in on the back side. Okay, so we are done with one single crochet stitch, 2 and 3. Then again in fourth stitch I'll be taking 5 double crochet stitches. Try to take this double crochet stitches as big as you can. Take your strands as long as you can. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, this is my second strawberry stitch. See, that bulgy part will be coming on the back. Okay, again 3 single stitches. So this I am going to follow for all the end of the row till end of the row. So it's nothing but 3 single crochet stitches, 1 single crochet stitch in each stitch. Then in 4th stitch I'll be taking 5 double crochet stitches in 1 single stitch. Okay, then again next 3 single crochet, 1 in each. It will be 5 double crochet in 1 single stitch every 4th stitch. Okay, I'll just complete this row and I'll show you. See, I've completed with the full pattern of 3 single crochet stitches, then 5 double crochet stitches in 1 single stitch. So every 4th stitch I am taking 5 double crochet stitches, then followed by 3 single crochet stitch, 1 in each. Okay, so by end I'll be getting my 3 single crochet stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Sorry for the background noise. As usual, my kid is playing. Okay, so this we are done. Okay, as usual we are done with the last one, last stitch. So we'll just turn our work. Now after turning our work, we will be starting with the green part of our strawberry stitch. Okay, so we will use a green yarn. Okay, so starting with a chain crochet stitch, 1 chain crochet stitch. After that 3 single crochet stitches. It's 1. Right from the first stitch, 3 single crochet stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Now you remember we have taken 5 double crochet stitches in 1 single stitch. No. So now we will just take 5 loops on a needle. After turning our work, we used a green, for green part we have taken a green yarn, starting with 1 chain crochet followed by 3 single crochet stitches. Now as we have taken in 4th stitch itself, we have taken 5 double crochet stitches. So in those 5 double crochet stitches we will be just taking 5 loops on a needle. See, starting from first, and please try to take those loops as big as you can. Try to stretch your thread as more as you can. 1, 2, 5. Okay, so after this 5 we will yarn over and pull through from all the 5 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at once, and just close that stitch. In the last stitch, make a slip stitch. Okay, see, you get a wonderful strawberry stitch. Then again in next 3 single crochet stitches we will be again doing a single crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, then again 5 loops in those 5 double crochet stitches. Then yarn over and pull through from all the 5 loops at once, and just close it. Take a stitch, a chain stitch, and close it, and in the last stitch make a slip stitch. See, you're getting wonderful strawberry stitches. Again next 3 single crochet stitches, take 1 single crochet stitch in each stitch. Okay, same pattern we have to follow all over the row. You are getting nice strawberry stitches. I'll just zoom it and show you. See, you're getting nice strawberry stitches. So it's like 3 single crochet stitches, and those 5 double crochet stitches we are taken. We will be taking 5 loops on it. Then we will yarn over and pull through from all those 5 loops. Okay, then we will close that. We will take a chain crochet stitch, and after that in the last double crochet stitch we will take a slip stitch. Okay, then again followed by 3 single crochet stitches, 1 in each. Okay, same pattern we have to follow all over the row. I'll just complete the row and I'll show you in next row how to start, so that our strawberries will be coming one between the other. Okay, not one above the other, one between the other. See, I'm done with my last stitch, and this is how our first row of strawberry stitch looks like. Okay, small strawberries. Now as we have done with the last stitch of the row, we will just turn our work. After turning our work, we will start with a chain crochet stitch. This is another row of strawberry stitch. So but obviously we will be changing our color to red yarn color. Okay, we will take one chain crochet stitch. After that we will skip our first stitch. Okay, and in second stitch we will be taking 5 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now we will skip the next stitch. Okay, we will skip one stitch and start with our 3 single crochet stitches. We will skip our next stitch and we will start with next 3 single crochet stitches, 1 single crochet stitch in each stitch. See, 1, here comes 2, and 3. Okay, again we will skip a stitch, and in the next stitch we will take 5 double crochet stitches. Then we will skip next stitch and start with a 3 single crochet stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Again the same pattern. We will skip our next stitch, and in next stitch we will be taking 5 double crochet stitches at once. Okay, so I'll just show you from back how our stitch is coming. See, now we are getting our next strawberry stitches in between these two. See, now we are getting our strawberry stitches in between these two, not one above the other but in between. Okay, I'll just complete it till the end of the row and I'll just show you. Just
Here
remember,
onwards, for every strawberry stitch row, we will skip a first stitch. In second stitch, we will take 5 double crochet stitches in one stitch itself. Then we will skip the next stitch again. After that, we will take 3 single crochet stitches, one in each. Then again skip a stitch in next.
see here we complete our second row of strawberry stitches. Green part is going to be the same. Where we have taken 5 double crochet stitches, we will take 5 loops. Then yarn over and pull through all the 5 loops at once. Take a chain crochet, and in the last stitch we will be taking a slip stitch, followed by 3 single crochet stitches. As they are already there, 3 single crochet stitches, we have to just take on them, and again the same. Okay, and see, each strawberry is coming, each stitch is coming in between the two, so it's coming in a zigzag way. Okay, I'll show you the green part again. Those who have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, Sanjs Aasha. And if you like the video, please do like, give me your comments, whether you have tried it or you have not, how it was, how was the experience, everything. I would like to read it, and please share it. So this is the green part again. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yarn over, pull through all at once, take a chain crochet, and in the last stitch take a slip stitch, same as we have done earlier. Then again 3 single crochet stitches, 1, 2 and 3. Again comes the 5 loops. It's going to be the same. Okay, I'll just make 4-5 rows and I'll just show you how it looks in a bigger piece. So please, who have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, Sanjs Aasha. If you like the video, please do like, comment and share. And I'll just complete it and
This
I'll
is
show
how
you.
our amazing, beautiful, yummy strawberry stitch looks like. You can see all strawberries are coming different, and it can be used anywhere, in bags, in whatever crochet projects you want. It can be used anywhere.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.